Welcome to the heart of the South, where opportunities flourish and dreams take flight. In this video, we'll explore why Alabama is the best option for entrepreneurs looking to start a business, and we'll guide you through the process of setting up an LLC and obtaining an Employer Identification Number, EIN, in Alabama. Alabama, a state known for its warm hospitality and rich history, has evolved into a thriving ecosystem for entrepreneurs. Let's take a closer look at what makes Alabama an ideal choice for starting a business. 1. Business-friendly environment. Alabama offers a pro-business climate with low taxes and minimal regulatory hurdles, allowing entrepreneurs to focus on their ventures rather than bureaucracy. 2. Strategic location. Strategically located in the southeastern United States, Alabama provides easy access to major markets, making it an excellent hub for regional and international trade. 3. Infrastructure and resources. The state boasts a robust infrastructure, including well-developed transportation networks, modern utilities, and a skilled workforce, providing businesses with essential resources. 4. Supportive ecosystem. Alabama's thriving startup ecosystem offers a network of accelerators, incubators, and venture capitalists, eager to support innovative ideas and new businesses. Now that you understand why Alabama is the place to be, let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to start an LLC in Alabama. Step 1. Choosing a business name. Begin by selecting a unique and memorable name for your LLC. Ensure the name complies with Alabama's naming requirements and is not already in use by another business entity. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. Next, designate a registered agent who will receive legal documents and correspondence on behalf of your LLC. The agent must have a physical address in Alabama. Step 3. File the Certificate of Formation. Prepare and file the Certificate of Formation with the Alabama Secretary of State. This document officially establishes your LLC and includes essential details such as the company name, registered agent information, and business purpose. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. Though not legally required, it is wise to draft an operating agreement outlining the internal structure, management, and responsibilities of LLC members. Step 5. Obtain business licenses and permits. Research and acquire any necessary business licenses and permits based on your industry and location. Compliance with local regulations is vital for smooth operations. Step 6. Obtaining an EIN in Alabama. With your LLC formed, the next crucial step is to obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. An EIN is required for tax purposes, hiring employees, and opening a business bank account. 1. Determine EIN eligibility. Verify if your LLC is eligible for an EIN. Most single-member LLCs with no employees can use the owner's Social Security Number, SSN, for tax purposes. 2. Online application. If you need an EIN, head to the IRS website and locate the online application. You will be guided through a series of questions to determine the appropriate EIN type for your LLC. 3. Gather required information. Prepare the necessary information, including your LLC's legal name, physical address, and member details, as well as the reason for applying for an EIN. 4. Complete the application. Carefully fill out the online EIN application form, ensuring all details are accurate and up-to-date. Double-check for errors before submitting the application. 5. Receive EIN confirmation. After submitting the application, the IRS will process your request, and upon approval, you'll receive your unique EIN. Save this number as it will be required for various business-related activities. Setting up an EIN number in Alabama is a straightforward process that contributes to the success and growth of your business. Now, let's continue the step-by-step process of LLC. Step 7. Tax compliance. With your EIN obtained, ensure that you comply with all federal and state tax regulations. Understanding your tax obligations is crucial to avoid penalties and ensure financial stability. Step 8. Hiring employees. If your business expands and you decide to hire employees, you will need your EIN to process payroll, report taxes, and handle other employment-related matters. Step 9. Opening a business bank account. An EIN is essential for opening a business bank account in Alabama. Separating personal and business finances helps manage funds more efficiently. Your EIN allows you to establish and build your LLC's credit profile. This helps secure loans, favorable terms with suppliers, and future financial growth. Congratulations! You've unlocked the gateway to entrepreneurial success in Alabama. The state's business-friendly environment, abundant resources, and supportive ecosystem provide the perfect recipe for your dreams to soar. Now, take the leap and turn your business dreams into reality by choosing Alabama as the launchpad for your entrepreneurial journey. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.